back to my channel. It's your girl Ruby Storm, and I'm back with another video for today. So today we are going to the lavender fields. I've been really wanting to do this. I think I saw like a post on TikTok or something, and it kind of inspired me to want to go. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Today is August the 23rd, 24th. I don't know what today is, but it's a Thursday. I'm super excited to go to this lavender field. It's about an hour away from us. So if you're in Atlanta, the name of this lavender field, not only is it a lavender field, but they have sunflowers, daffodils. They also have like a grocery slash like convenience store where they sell handmade goods such as bath bombs, like cooking things that you can cook with, soap, deodorant, you name it, they probably make it. So yeah, I'm really excited to go. Me and my boyfriend are going, and yeah, let's skedaddle. We just made it to Red Oak Lavender Fields. It's super cute out here, definitely out here in the cut. And yeah, I'm like super excited to explore. The weather is perfect. It's saying it's 84 degrees. I got my little umbrella here, and you know, we lit. I'm ready. I'm wondering, like, do we just walk straight like towards the field? I know we're gonna check out the lavender shop once we are done. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into this adventure. Should we start right to left?
How's it going? Good.
Y'all come to pick up the flower bouquet?
We were hoping to see some lavender.
Okay.
Interesting. Okay, the last 2 weeks of June.
Yeah, so follow us on our social media.
Okay.
And you get our newsletter. We'll tell you when everything's blooming so you can make plans to be here.
Okay, sounds good.
We've got zinnias and dahlias. And,
Okay.
Now, if you pick flower bouquets anywhere from $12 on up.
Okay.
So if you see a few lavender sprigs out there, you can pick them and add them to your bouquet, no charge.
Oh, that sounds really good.
Yeah, so,
There's no baskets.
well, you go inside.
Beautiful.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How y'all?
Good. He said that we could come in and grab a
This is flame
okay.
and the plumes. The cheap mix, the red there, those are $3 extra, and the dahlias are $2 extra though.
Okay.
And then I have this cup here, and it's $14. Comes with the top and straw. Again, 19 flowers. And then we have the big bucket here for $39. And you can get 25 to 40 flowers.
Cool, lavender lemonade mix. Oh my
Oh, it is
gosh,
good.
that sounds so good.
I think I will do this.
Okay, what color cup do you want?
Could I do yellow?
Yeah. Yellow sparkles or just plain yellow?
Ooh, yellow sparkles.
I figured you were a sparkle girl.
Yes. The more sparkles, the better.
That's right.
Where is the honey harvested?
That's a friend of ours, honey, that's local.
Wow.
Here in Delaware.
I might have to.
Probably get
Our lavender honey's already gone.
Oh wow. Yeah, this is wildflower. That's so cool.
Honey, help me. You know my hands.
Help me.
I can't.
I just almost cut my thumb off.
I know, but you still do better than I do.
I don't know. You just twist them like this. Just look. Twist them and pull.
Okay.
Put that down. Twist and pull.
We can't do it.
Okay.
My hands aren't big enough.
That would be me.
Look. Look, right
Not a
here.
small
So
thing.
cool.
Twist and pull. Just twist and pull.
Got it.
Yay!
Oh my gosh.
Twist and pull. Twist and pull.
I'm gonna get some bath bombs for sure.
And we make those here.
That is so cool.
Thanks. I gotta make some more today.
Do you have a press?
Huh?
Do you have a press?
Yes, now. I used to have to do 2 half cups.
Oh no,
That's what
I've done
we tried
that.
to
I've
do,
done
yeah.
that.
That's
And
really
then
hard.
thunk them with a spoon.
Yeah.
And sometimes they'll mess up,
Right.
and crack
Exactly.
apart. Now I have an automatic one. I put my thumbs there. It was $1,000, but I just push, and it does 2 of them at once.
Oh, cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah,
Nice.
hold it for 7 seconds, and then I hit it again for 3 seconds. And then I can slide the bomb out, and then I have the bomb tray
Oh,
to
nice.
put them in, and I have a dehumidifier now.
Oh, and that solidifies them.
Hmm.
Oh, wow, that's so smart. All right.
Yeah.
Because I looked into the presses and I saw some of them, but I didn't realize a dehumidifier would be like
Yes, and you don't do it all day. You just do it when you get ready to set up.
Mm-hmm.
That's when you turn them on, because if they get too dry, that's not good either.
Got you. Yeah, because
That's
it
a 15,
crumbles.
12.
Because you can never get your
20?
powder wet if you run your humidifier while you're.
I end up spritzing the witch
Okay, I see.
hazel in there.
Well, once you
all
start
too much.
making, then you turn it on.
Right. I see.
Definitely have to do something with the camera. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready to pick some flowers?
Sure.
I believe she said
I don't. Did she explain to you which flowers we could pick? Okay.
but some of them are extra.
Okay.
And I got these
The shears. I saw that. Cool. Let's get to picking. Clipping some shears. Or clipping some flowers.
Oh, red one over here.
The chimes. The,
I think she said these ones are extra. But they're so pretty, I want them. And they're like, have like this like fuzzy like texture. Wow, these are stunning. Stunning. Stunning flowers. So pretty. It's so pretty here. Like, oh my gosh, I want to be here forever. I'm loving. Let's pick some I believe these are extra, but I don't know where to pick it from.
There's mad bugs around, watch out.
This one looks ready. Y'all, it is hot out here, but look at these pretty flowers I've gotten so far. I'm so excited about these. Look. Like, this one's my favorite so far, and it's really fluffy. Like, what? Oh my god. I've never seen a fluffy flower like this before. Alright, let's pick some more out. I kind of want some more of the fluffies, though. Like, these are so gorgeous, but I believe she said that the fluffies are extra, and I know why. So, let's continue. Let's check this place out over here.
You could walk down that one
Yeah.
strip of grass.
I'm living my country girl life, y'all.
Show me again.
Can you take a pic of me? So good. Alright, so we got these flowers so far. Aren't they just beautiful? Like, I'm so drawn to these colors. So cute. I think I got 19 flowers. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, we got 10. We need to get like 8 more. Alright, let's get 8 more, I guess.
Let's feed some chicken, y'all.
Oh, hi little papas. Are you hungry? Oh my goodness. They're waiting for me. Right here with his mouth open already. How come you won't get it? Oh, not him gonna. You're gonna bite my damn hand off.
Be careful. I don't think you. I don't think you can feed them like that. I don't think chickens are like. You feed them by hand.
Can't feed him by hand.
I don't know. Maybe. I never had chickens. I want some now.
I want some too. Here you guys go. I need some in the back. Feed yourself?
Mm-mm.
I love feeding the animals. Eat. Eat. Be married. Okay.
You hit him in the head?
They want more. They want some over here. There you go. Sweetie. Here, you need
Throw
some
them now,
too.
yeah. They're so funny.
Look at that little light one over there. Little light bright. We're here. We're about to go inside and check out the Lavender shop. I think Poppy wants to get what, some bath bombs, some salt, something like that. What do you I think I saw like some pancake mix or something up there. So I definitely want to check that out.
Lavender lemonade, honey.
Oh, they have lemonade?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so we're about to check that out. It is hot out here. So let's go ahead and run inside and do that, and then we're gonna head back to the city. Let's go.
Make a big difference.
Good. How are you guys doing?